Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get into SORA so you can read the books that have been assigned to you through English class. So the English book you were assigned, either Kite Runner or the Shawshank story that's in the book Different Seasons, is going to be automatically sent to your app under your ID name, which is also your lunch code. So the first thing you can do is download the app by SORA or the SORA app on any reading device you want to. And once you download the app, it's going to ask you to log in, and you're going to log in using Bronxville School. There's usually a drop-down menu for that. And then you're going to put in your library card number, which is the exact same number you use as a lunch code. It's a 6-digit code, usually starts with 20 or 30. Some of them at your age would be 10, but it's a 6-digit code. So if you have the app, you can do it that way. You can also do it on your desktop or your laptop. You're just going to search for SORA. Sometimes it'll automatically recognize you if you're logged into Google Chrome, and it'll say your school is Southern Westchester BOCES. Sometimes you'll get a screen that looks like this and it'll say, is this your school? Occasionally Bronxville will pop up. Sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't, you click on this arrow on the bottom. It'll ask you to search for your school. You put in Bronxville. And once it comes up in the list, you just click, yes, this is my school. It's going to ask you to select your school from here. You're going to choose Bronxville Middle High School. And then it's going to say username, but this is actually where you put your lunch code in, your 6-digit code. If it brought you right to this screen where it says my school is Southern Westchester BOCES, that's actually correct because we all share this collection there. When you click on that, it asks you to choose your school, and you'll see these are all Lower Westchester schools. You click on Bronxville, and this is where you put in your code, the 6-digit number. And when you sign in, you should be brought right to the assignment page. And when you get to the assignment page, you'll see that the book is here. There's a button for clicking on it. You can download it if you want to. It would take up a lot of space. I would suggest using it in your app. And then there's other information down on the bottom. They give suggestions for other books. You have a menu tab on the right, and you can add books. You can borrow other books from our library also. But the good thing is that the book is here for you, and you can start reading it immediately just by clicking in. And once you open the book, you have other options. You can send it to a device. So if you did all of this on a laptop and want to send it to a tablet of some kind, you can. When you finish the book, you can mark it as done. When you're in the app, it actually lets you to do notes and highlights in the book, which is great because even once you've returned the book or you finish reading it, you'll always have access to those notes and highlights in this app. And then you can go down here and look at some details, but it's really simple. You just click on open the book and you're going to go right through the pages. And then everybody will have the same exact book. So you'll always be on the same pages, and you can skip around by chapter also and just click through. Okay. If you have any questions, just email me. If you need that 6-digit code, you can email me for that also. I believe when you log into Infinite Campus, that number is listed. It's under student ID. So it's that 6-digit number that they use with the state. We use it for lunch and we use it for a library code. So it should work well. But again, any questions, let me know. Good luck.